کریم ناظرہ مکمل کر لیا ہے۔ اب یہ طالب علم اکیڈمی میں ہی حفظ کر رہے ہیں۔ انگریزی زبان میں کچھ ضروری باتیں کہنا چاہتے ہیں، امید ہے کہ آپ دلچسپی سے سنیں گے۔ بلال احمد منصور۔
السلام علیکم ورحمۃ اللہ وبرکاتہ. My name is Bilal Ahmad. I am in 7th class and I study my Holy Quran in the Holy Quran International Academy, which is in Nizamuddin West, New Delhi. And today I am going to say some words on Allah. Thank you Allah for the sun so bright that shines from up above. Thank you Allah for my family who taught me how to love. Thank you Allah for the trees that give fruit, wood and shade. Thank you Allah for the goods you put in everything you made. For the water falling down as rain from the cloudy sky. For the moonbeams and the stars so bright shining through the night. For the mountains standing big and tall, the oceans deep and wide. For the creatures that are both big and small, that run, swim and fly. There is so much to be thankful for, so much that words can't say. So thank you Allah for the many gifts you give to me each day. Thank you.